Here I have my phone Luna 2 and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at first, if you would like to quickly use Do Not Disturb, let's use an upper bar twice, and here you should find Do Not Disturb mode icon. Let's tap it. And now you have to choose the mode of Do Not Disturb mode. You can choose total silence, and this blocks all sounds and vibrations, including from alarms, music, videos and games, but you'll still be able to make phone calls. You can also choose priority only, and you won't be disturbed by sounds and vibration except from alarms, reminders, events and colors that you previously specified. You may also choose alarms only, and you just allows only the alarms sounds, and you have to choose the time when Do Not Disturb mode will be switched on. You can choose for an hour or for another period of time, or you can also choose until you turn it off. If you would like to change some settings about Do Not Disturb, let's tap apps icon, find and select the settings right here. Then let's scroll down, and right here you should choose sound and notifications. Then let's choose Do Not Disturb. Here you can choose the priority only allows, and here you can disable reminders, events. You can handle with colors and repeat colors. You may also go back and choose some automatic rules. For example, you can turn on automatically Do Not Disturb every weekend, every weeknight, or add some customized rules. So let's go back, and if you would like to quickly switch off the Do Not Disturb, let's use upper bar twice and tap alarms only, and now you can use your device in a normal mode. So that's it, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.